The Practicum in Business and Medical Coding course provides students hands-on experience in managing medical insurance claims, invoices, and payments for medical services. Students will learn about medical insurance, medical billing, collections, the claim process, and medical coding. Students will also demonstrate knowledge in handling confidential medical information, compliance with laws and policies, customer service, and ethical conduct. Students in this course have the opportunity to earn a national certificate as an insurance and coding specialist. This certification can help students gain employment in the healthcare setting in jobs related to medical billing and coding. This course falls under 3 programs of study: accounting, business management, and entrepreneurship.